Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you and also tell you how to show QR code from Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments after watching. And let's get down to this topic. Now I will show you everything in detail. And I'll tell you right away that this method is a very convenient method to connect to any Wi-Fi. And first, you will need to find an application on your iPhone, which is called Password. This is what it looks like. You can use two methods to do this. The first is to swipe down on the screen from top to bottom and type the word password into the search box. That way, you'll see the app at the top. Alternatively, friends, you can also swipe down to the app library. Here also at the top you will see the search box, and just like that, just type the name passwords and click on this app. After that, as you can see, you have to go through identity authentication. In my case, it's Face ID. Next, when you get to a page like this, you will need to open the Wi-Fi option. Here you'll see a list of all the absolutely Wi-Fi you've been connected to once from your device. And also in the very first one, you'll see the Wi-Fi that you're currently using. You will need to open it up. Here you will see an option called Open or Show QR Code. Please click on it, and you will see how you will be immediately created and shown a QR code, which will help someone else to connect to Wi-Fi. In order for you to connect to Wi-Fi by a QR code, you will need to bring another device. Or let's say it will be your friend or relative, and you will have to open the camera or the special option of scanning on your device. And scan this QR code from Wi-Fi. After that, you will receive notifications that you can quickly connect to this network. After confirmation, you will be instantly connected to this Wi-Fi. Friends, this is such a quick and simple method you can show the QR code of Wi-Fi on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful and helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and also be sure to put likes under the video. See you soon, friends.